how to join or merge multiple audio files into one. So if you have multiple audio files and if you want to merge the audio files into one, then what you need to do is just open up your browser. Once you open up your browser, you just need to simply go with the search, and under search, you need to search for vocalremover.org. Hit the enter. Once you search for it, now you just need to simply go with the joiner option, which is here on the left side. Click on joiner, and then you just need to simply choose multiple audio tracks. Go with browse my files and choose multiple files, and then go with open. And here you will have 2 files. So just go with the format and choose MP3, and then go with save. And you can also add some tracks if you want to, and then go with save, and it will be saved. You can go with the audio clip, which is on the upper side, and that's it. Now you can see the time has been 9 seconds or 10 seconds. And here you can see my one clip is about 5 seconds. So it has mixed these two. So that's how you can join or merge multiple audio files into one. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.